Hello, my name is Laura Patricia Galvan, and today I want to share my personal opinion about the educational, scientific, and technological direction of our country, Colombia. First of all, first of all, I strongly believe that education is the foundation for national progress. Unfortunately, public education is still unequal, especially in rural areas. I think the government must invest more in teacher training, technology, and infrastructure. In my opinion, digital tools can make learning more dynamic and inclusive. However, many students don't have access to internet or computers at home. That's why it's extremely important to guarantee digital equity, equity across the country. Regarding science, I feel that Colombia has many talented researchers, but scientific research is not always well funded or supported. I suggest that we create more partnerships between universities and private companies. That way, innovation can have a real impact on society, on our society. As for technology, I completely agree that is essential for development. However, we are still behind in comparison to other nations. I think the country should promote that education from an early age. We also need to encourage entrepreneurship in technology, especially for young people. To conclude, I truly believe that Colombia has great potential in these three areas, but we need strong policies, long-term planning, and real commitment to equality and innovation. Thank you very much for listening to my opinion and for this course. Thank you, teacher.